Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my latest watercolor painting of a beautiful bird perched on a post. This painting was inspired by an early morning cup of coffee and a consistent visit by a bird that found comfort on a post on my deck. Thanks for finding this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoy the video, or if you would just like to be supportive, please remember, subscribe, like, and share. I started by sketching the outline of the bird with a pencil, and then I began painting with watercolors. I used a combination of warm and cool colors to create a contrast and bring out the details of the bird. The post was painted in a neutral color to keep the focus on the bird. I spent just a few hours working on this painting, carefully layering the colors to create depth and textures. I wanted to capture the bird and not focus on any surroundings. I finished the painting with a black pen and used that to help bring out more of the finer details. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my watercolor painting of a bird on a post. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more art-related content. And just one more thing, have a great day.